Hello, in this video we're gonna check the performance of a charger that comes with Realme Narzo 50. Here it is. I'm gonna plug it inside this Ghost and Smart socket, and that socket will transfer performance to this phone. You'll be able to see them right here. Now let's try that. So the phone just started charging. Now let's check it here. We'll need to wait about 30 seconds to actually make it stable. And here you can see the exact statistics. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.